this is like a continuation from the other video I did of the 4 quadrants. Y'all remember that? North, south, east, and west. I'm gonna add one more quadrant to that because I ain't go over that quadrant. It's called affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Is you sell other people products that they made, and they pay you a commission between 50 to 75%. It's basically you can go to Clickbank, clickbank.com. It's free to join, guys, and you can scroll down and see what product you want to promote, from weight loss, from betting, from music, from dog training, whatever. They got over probably 10,000 digital products, guys. And what I do is see this book right here? See that right here? It costs me $15 to place an ad. Here go one of my ads right here. I can show you. Right here. Right there. Right there. Right here. One of my ads. I got an 800 number. So I was going to make a real quick video let you know that I'm going to add one more quadrant to my 4 quadrant. It's called affiliate marketing, selling other people products. And they pay you 50 to 75% for that. And it's free. So I'll make another video, to show you step by step. Clickbank. I'm gonna take you to Clickbank, and I'll show you step by step what you need to do, what you need to look for, and when you start promoting somebody's product, stuff like that. So this is a real quick video. I'm gonna add a quadrant to my 4 quadrants. So if y'all can remember, you got the north, the south, the west, the east. Now I'm gonna add the 5th one, and I'm gonna call this one the east west, because that's free also, guys. That's freedom too. All right, guys. Have a happy Saturday, and I'll talk to y'all soon. I've been doing what I do, and I'll holler.